What format you three come up with, I'll still be the champ.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, goodness. It sounds like a lot of you could use a meal. Let's put a pin in this battle until tomorrow instead.
It's something, all right, that's for sure.
Huh?
Okay, time to go back. I could really go for a hot meal right now.
That sounds good to me.
But, maybe after we eat.
That's a good idea.
What's the matter? You two forget breakfast or something?
Huh?
I'm hungry too. Hungry for victory. Your prince is hungrier than the two of you combined.
Who thinks of food at a time like this?
Oh, there is nothing wrong with taking a little snack break.